All right, here's a couple of questions dealing with polynomials. This one says determine the terms and the degree of the polynomial. So terms are always separated by a plus or a minus sign. So this would be a term, that one, and this would be a term, and this would be a term. Notice I'm keeping the sign along with it, and there'd be a fourth term. So this polynomial would have four terms. Now, the degree of the polynomial is whatever the highest exponent is. But sometimes if you have double variables, then what you have to do is add the degree. So that degree of that term is 10. The degree of this term would be 11. The degree of this term would be 7. The degree of this term, since there's no variables, would be 0. So then you just pick the highest one, and it looks like it'd be 11. So the degree of that polynomial would be 11. Now this next question, you're asked to solve for a particular letter. Issue with this one is you actually have two of the same letter. So you're solving for n, but you have two n's. So to solve this one for n, what you do, if they're both on the same side of the equal sign, what you can do is just factor out an n. And if you factor out an n, notice that now I only have one n. Now if I have one n here, that's being multiplied, I want to get at the end, I want to have n is equal to something. So I've got to lose this e minus r. Since it's being multiplied, I'm going to divide this side by e minus r. If I do it there, I've got to divide it that side too. So these cancel, so your n will be equal to r over capital E minus r. Okay, two good questions.